as part of today's session, right, we will be discussing how to create the personal developer instance. So before that, we will understand what exactly is the personal developer instance. Okay. So yesterday we had actually discussed what exactly is ServiceNow, what exactly is ServiceNow, and what is the history, and what are all the benefits, and why ServiceNow is so popular, and what are all the versions, what are all the plugins, what is the future, and what is upgrade. Everything we had actually discussed in our previous session. As part of today's session, right, we will be able to understand how to create the personal developer instance. Personal developer instance in the sense where you will actually practice the things. Every day you will actually learn the things, right? So you will actually practice the things somewhere. That is actually called personal developer instance. So ServiceNow will actually provide you personal developer instance for practicing purpose. That is actually for free of cost. There is no cost involved to get the personal developer instance. Okay. So the personal developer instance will look like this one, guys. The personal developer instance will look like this one. Okay. So here, right, this is the place where you will actually practice the things. Okay. So I have actually got my personal developer instance. I have actually customized according to my company requirements. Okay. See here, I have actually changed it as UCS Infotech. So here I have actually changed my instance name as UCS Infotech. So I have actually customized according to our convenience. Okay. So likewise, you can get your personal developer instance. You can actually use it for your conveniences. Okay. So this is how the personal developer instance will look like. Okay. So how exactly we get the personal developer instance? So remember, guys, there is a portal called developer.servicenow.com. Developer.servicenow.com. So here you will actually mention developer.servicenow.com here. So once you navigate to the developer.servicenow.com, I will show you what exactly we do. So here I have actually navigated to developer.servicenow.com. Here, what exactly you do is you will just click on sign up and start building. Sign up and start building here. So once you click on this sign up and start building, right, you are supposed to provide some personal details. Okay. You are supposed to provide some personal details. So I would request you guys to, so I would request one of you guys to provide your personal details so that I can actually create a personal developer instance for you guys. Okay. So can any one of you guys come up so that I can actually take your personal details and create an account for you.
Yeah, Uday, you can take mine. First name is Gautam, Gautam,
So GAUTAM
and last name is NV, NV, V.
NV.
That's it. Yeah,
So could you please provide your email address over the chart so that it will be,
Gautam, NV.
it would be great if you could provide it on the chart so
Oh
that it
yeah,
will make my
sure.
life easy.
Give me a second, okay?
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Hello. No, I have not ordered anything.
My God. Gautam, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Looks like I was actually talking on mute.
Oh yeah,
My,
now I can
my,
hear you.
apo-
Yeah,
my apologies.
no worries.
So let me just iterate for you guys.
Uh,
So once you have navigated to developer.servicenow.com, right? So here, what exactly you do is you will just click on sign up and start building. So once you click on the sign up and start building, you will provide your first name, and also you will provide your last name, your email address, your country. You will actually provide your password, and you will confirm the password. Okay. Does it make sense to you, everyone?
yes, Uday.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
first name, last name, email address, and the country, and you will actually provide the password here. So here, guys, the email address that you are actually providing, right? So make sure that is actually active, because once you click on sign up, right? Once you click on this, I'm not a robot, and then once you click on this checkbox, so after that you will click on sign up, right? Once you click on the sign up, it will actually send a verification email to your email address that you have provided. So here it has sent a verification email to Gautam. Gautam,
Yes,
you would have received an email on your Gmail. Could you
you are
please
right.
verify it?
Yes, Uday, I already verified it.
Okay, great. So once verification is done, right, what exactly you will do is you will again navigate to developer.servicenow.com. You will again navigate to developer.servicenow.com. So here, what exactly you will do is you will just go to sign in. See, for creating an account, you will go to sign up and start building. For logging into the developer account, you will just go to sign in. So here, what exactly you do is you will actually provide your email address, and you will click on next here. And also you will provide the password here, the password that we have kept during the sign up. During the sign up, we have kept the password. Do you guys remember that?
Yeah,
Yes.
Gautam at the rate 2020.
Gautam at the
Yes. Gautam at the rate 2022. So now what I have done is I have actually logged into developer account of Gautam. Okay. So Gautam has developer account. Okay. So ServiceNow developer account. Gautam has ServiceNow developer account. So here you will actually select S here, and you will just click on next. You will select all these options: developer, designer, IT admin, others, and you will. So you mean here, right? We have actually both. Yeah. So if you select I need guided experience, means it will actually give you the documentation. It will not give you the personal developer instance. So then you are supposed to select S here. Then you will just select next, and you will select this checkbox, and you will finish setup here. Okay. So now Gautam, you have a developer account. Okay.
Okay,
Sorry guys. You have a developer account. Okay. The password for your developer account is actually your email address, and the password the username is actually your Gmail, and the password is actually Gautam at the rate 2022. So this is actually the username and password for developer account. Okay. So to get the personal developer instance, you must have an account in the developer.servicenow.com. That is what we have done so far. To get
okay,
the
okay.
personal developer instance, you must have an account in the developer.servicenow.com. So I'm actually iterating the steps, guys. You need to navigate to developer.servicenow.com. So I'm just signing out here. You need to navigate to developer.servicenow.com here. So when you navigate to developer.servicenow.com, to create a developer account, you will just click on sign up and start building. Once you have done that, you are supposed to provide first name, last name, email, country, password, and confirm password. Okay. So once you are done with all these formalities, you will actually just click on sign up. Once you clicked on the sign up, it will actually send an email to your email address for verification. Once you are done with the verification, you will again navigate to developer.servicenow.com. Okay. So here what exactly you will do is you will just click on sign in here. Once you click on sign in here, you are supposed to provide your email address and you are also supposed to provide the password. Okay. So the password is actually Gautam at the rate 2022. So Gautam now is actually on developer account. Okay. So here, this is the place where you will actually request the personal developer instance. So remember the point, guys. To request the personal developer instance, you must have a developer account. To request the personal developer instance, you must have a developer account. Do you guys understand that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what exactly you will do is you will just click on request instance. So once you click on the request instance, right, it will take few seconds to provide us the personal developer instance. So it will take little while to get the PDI. So PDI stands for personal developer instance. So you will be hearing this terminology while you are actually learning ServiceNow platform, while you are actually taking the interviews, while you are working in the projects, you will be hearing this terminology called PDI. PDI in the sense personal developer instance. So it is taking little while, guys. So it is actually making the PDI ready for us. So in the meantime, we will actually discuss some prerequisites while creating the personal developer instance. Okay. So remember, guys, while creating the developer account, you must make sure you are not providing the company email address. So when you join in a company, you will be provided a company email address. You should never use company email address for logging into developer account for creating the developer account, which is not actually the good practice. The good practice is actually using your personal email. Personal emails in the sense Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Orkut. So these kind of emails. These kind of emails you are supposed to use. You should never use your company email address for creating a developer account. This is the point that you guys have to remember. So once you get the personal developer instance, right? We have requested the personal developer instance, right? So once you get the personal developer instance, what exactly you are supposed to do is you are supposed to practice the things every day. If you are not practicing the things every day, system will understand that you are not practicing, you are not using the personal developer instance, and they will make the instance in sleeping mode. That means they will actually make the instance in hibernate mode in the sense sleep mode. That will not be available to access to you. Okay, you won't be able to access that. If you are not practicing every day, the personal developer instance will go to sleep mode. Remember, guys. So that means you guys have to practice the things every day. So there is no way of escaping, guys. Here, every day you are supposed to practice. So it has actually made available for us. So developer instance is actually created. Personal developer instance is actually created. So once the developer instance is created, right, you are supposed to log into this personal developer instance. You are supposed to practice the things every day. If you are not logging into this personal developer instance, if you are not practicing the things, the instance will go to sleep mode. Once it goes to sleep mode, right, what exactly will happen is that that will not be accessible to you. Then you are supposed to log into developer account again. You will have to wake up that instance from the sleep mode. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Understand? So you guys have to practice the things every day. So that is the thing that you guys have to remember one thing. So the third point that you guys have to remember is, if you are not logging into this personal developer instance continuously for 10 days, so ServiceNow will understand that you guys are not using personal developer instance. This is no longer needed for you. ServiceNow will understand that. So you are not practicing the things. So personal developer instance is no longer needed for you. And then they will think like this. They will actually make that instance not available for you. That means that instance, that personal developer instance will not be available for you. Okay. So whatever the practice that you have done so far, you might have practiced in that personal developer instance, right? That practice will be gone. You won't be able to recover it. So then what I am supposed to do in this case? If the personal developer instance is actually expired, if the personal developer instance is not available, so in that case, ServiceNow will allow you to get a new personal developer instance, but whatever the practice that you have done, right, that will not be available. And moreover, for one email address, you can create only one developer account. You cannot actually create multiple developer accounts. You cannot actually create multiple developer accounts for one email address. For one email address, one developer account. I'll just show you that. So I'm just copying the email address of Gautam. I'm signing out here. And what exactly I'm doing here is I'm navigating to developer.servicenow.com and I'm just clicking on sign up and start building. I am trying to create one more account for Gautam. So what exactly ServiceNow will tell you, we will understand. Gautam Nanda. Okay. India. So earlier there was no H. So I am actually trying to create a new developer account, guys. So we will understand whether we are able to create a personal developer account, so developer account or not. See here, what does it says? This email address is already registered with us. Please sign in or reset your password. It says you have already a developer account. So for one email address, you can create only one developer account. So now what I do is I will again navigate to developer.servicenow.com. My apologies, guys. So you will just click on sign in. You will provide your email address and you will provide the password. Now you are actually on developer account. So here, right, you have actually requested personal developer instance, right? You have requested personal developer instance, right? You will just click on start building here. So this is the place where you will actually practice the things. Okay. This is the place where you will actually practice the things, guys. Looks like network is little slow today. So Gautam, this is actually the personal developer instance
Yes,
that
sir.
ServiceNow has actually provided it to you.
Okay.
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 So here, if you go to the developer account,
Mm-hmm.
so here, if you go to the developer account here,
Mm-hmm.
so here you will go here. Okay.
Okay.
So this is actually your profile.
Okay.
Here you will go here.
Mm-hmm.
You will go and reset your password if you want,
Okay.
or
Mm-hmm.
you can actually see manage email properties,
Mm-hmm.
release instance, change user role, remove demo data, manage instance password. So
Okay.
you will actually use this one here, and you
Okay.
will understand this is the URL, this is the personal developer instance that ServiceNow has actually provided it to you, and this
Mm-hmm.
is the username, this is
Mm-hmm.
the password that they have actually provided to
Okay.
log into the personal developer instance.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Got your point.
every time when you want to log into your personal developer instance, right, you
Mm-hmm.
don't have to log into developer account. You can
Okay.
directly access this one. I'm actually copying this link.
Okay.
I'm actually opening a new incognito window.
Okay.
So I'm actually hitting this URL.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the personal developer instance that ServiceNow has actually provided to you for practicing purpose.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm actually taking this username as admin.
Mm-hmm.
There are a lot of tabs. So this is the username that you will use.
Okay.
And also you will use the password. So you will use this password to log into the developer account. Sorry, personal developer instance.
Okay.
Hope everybody is clear, right?
Yeah, yes, Uday.
So first and
Yeah.
foremost thing that you guys have to remember is we must have developer account first. We must have developer account first. From the developer account, you will actually get the personal developer instance. Okay. To create a developer account, you will navigate to developer.servicenow.com. Here in the developer.servicenow.com, you will actually provide username, password, email address, country, and password, confirm password, and you will sign up. After the sign up, verification email will be sent. You will do the verification. Once verification is done, you will actually log into developer account. Once you log into developer account, you will actually request the PDI. You will actually request the personal developer instance. Okay. So this is actually PDI. This is actually the PDI, personal developer instance. This is actually developer account. This is actually developer account. So hope everything is clear for you guys.
Yes.
Everyone, I would like
Yes,
to ask everyone. So Srinivas, Narendra,
Yes. Yes,
everybody is
Uday.
clear, right? Everybody is clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Now this is how you will actually get your personal developer instance, guys. This is how you will actually get your personal developer instance. This is the place where you will actually practice the things. Okay. So remember, guys, being a ServiceNow professional, being a ServiceNow administrator or developer or implementer, what exactly you need to know is you need to know each and everything. So how to change this icon here, what exactly is this all about, what exactly this favorite tab does, history, workspaces, how exactly we change the name of this instance, what exactly this search box does, what exactly this globe icon does. So each and everything will be explained as part of this session, not this session, as part of this training. Okay. So being a developer or administrator, you must be aware of each and everything. So as part of this training, we will be discussing all these things in detail. Okay. Now, now we will understand few more things on ServiceNow platform. Few more things on ServiceNow platform. So far you are clear, right? How to create the personal developer instance and all.